I had a phone call from Mayor Burton from Oakville. We have a great relationship.
The Premier seemed to suggest that phone call helped Halton Region avoid a setback to stage 2 COVID closures, where restaurants and gyms are among the shuttered businesses.
I'm sure we all feel really good about the fact that the Premier seems to be listening.
All the mayors of Halton Region and Regional Chair Gary Carr sent letters to the province on the weekend urging no further restrictions. And MPPs, including 2 from Doug Ford's Conservative caucus, wrote letters to Ontario Public Health with the same message. The letters pointed out that Halton has good hospital capacity with the Joseph Brant COVID expansion unit, and the infection rate is declining in the region.
Municipal leaders in Halton Region argue that their targeted approach is working. For example, when York Region was forced into tighter restrictions, Halton Region opted to limit some sports and fitness activities at its municipal recreation facilities.
Mayor Burton says it's an approach that's easier for people to deal with.
Canadians are really reasonable people. We will comply when it makes sense. And you know, if you look at the trend, it makes more sense to get more specific. In normal public health, you go in and you isolate and separate the place where the case is. And I know we have to go there. It's only logical.
Provincial health officials say regardless of any letters from politicians, Halton's COVID situation doesn't yet warrant tighter restrictions.
While York was clear it was going, in my mind, Halton was on the borderline edge there of not the same category as the other 4. And discussing with the local medical officer of health, she was also not convinced yet that that type of measure of the modified 2, maybe some partial measures that they might be considering. And so we said, okay, let's wait and see.
Lisa Hepfner, CHCH News.